Hello friends and welcome to this video. Today I will show with you how you can upload a custom photo on ESPN Fantasia Football. So guys, after logging your account and here, go to this icon setting. After that guys, wait and go to this website post image and choose any image you want to upload and wait. After that, this is your link. Just copy this link guys and go to this website and click here on change team logo and click here custom logo from web and copy this website and wait in your file and this go to this URL guys, and after that post this as you can see here guys. This is easy method you can do, and wait to loading this image. After that click on save as a logo guys. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. See you on another video soon.